The world of technology is no stranger to disruption. Innovation follows innovation at a breakneck pace. One of the most transformative forces in recent years has been the rise of artificial intelligence. This powerful technology is rapidly changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Its impact is particularly pronounced in the field of software development, where AI is poised to revolutionize the way software is designed, built, and deployed. AI's foray into software development is not a new phenomenon. For years, researchers and engineers have been exploring ways to leverage AI's capabilities to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and create more sophisticated software. However, recent advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing have significantly accelerated the pace of AI adoption in the software development lifecycle. Today, AI-powered tools are no longer a futuristic concept, but a reality for many software development teams worldwide. The increasing prevalence of AI in software development has sparked a heated debate about its potential impact on the job market. While some experts believe that AI will create new opportunities and enhance the capabilities of software engineers, others fear that it will lead to widespread job displacement and make human developers obsolete. This essay delves into this debate, exploring both the promises and perils of AI in software development. We will examine how AI is currently being used in the industry, address the concerns of software engineers who fear for their jobs, and ultimately argue that AI, rather than replacing human engineers, will serve as a powerful tool that augments their capabilities and transforms the nature of their work. The rapid advancements in AI have undoubtedly sent ripples of anxiety through the software development community. The fear that AI could automate their jobs out of existence is palpable. Headlines proclaiming the imminent demise of software engineering jobs at the hands of AI only serve to exacerbate these anxieties. It's essential to approach these fears with a balanced perspective. While it's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks traditionally performed by software engineers, it's crucial to recognize that AI is not a job-stealing monster lurking in the shadows. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should consider it an opportunity for software engineers to evolve and adapt to the changing demands of their profession. The history of technological innovation is replete with examples of new technologies initially met with fear and resistance, only to be later embraced as invaluable tools that enhance human capabilities. The automobile, for instance, was initially viewed with suspicion, seen as a potential job killer for horse-drawn carriage drivers. However, the automobile revolutionized transportation, creating new industries and job opportunities in its wake. Similarly, the introduction of computers into the workplace sparked fears of mass unemployment. Instead, computers transformed the way we work, leading to the creation of countless new jobs in industries that we could not have imagined before. AI is poised to follow a similar trajectory. While it will undoubtedly automate certain tasks, it will also create new opportunities and redefine the role of software engineers. The key to navigating this transition successfully lies in understanding the true potential of AI and embracing its ability to augment human capabilities. The fear of job displacement is not entirely unfounded. AI excels at automating repetitive, rules-based tasks, which constitute a significant portion of many software engineering roles. Tasks like code generation, bug detection, and testing can be performed more efficiently and accurately by AI-powered tools, freeing up software engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of software development. However, it's important to remember that software engineering is not just about writing code. It's a multifaceted discipline that requires creativity, problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and the ability to understand and respond to user needs. These are all qualities that are uniquely human and difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in machines. While AI can automate certain tasks, it's not equipped to replace the human element in software development. Software engineers will still be needed to design innovative solutions, make complex decisions, and ensure that software meets the needs of its users. Instead of replacing humans, AI will serve as a powerful tool that augments their capabilities, allowing them to work more efficiently and effectively. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, it's clear that AI is not replacing us, but rather augmenting our capabilities. Imagine for a moment a world where mundane and repetitive tasks are handled by intelligent systems, freeing us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. This shift allows human ingenuity to flourish, enabling us to tackle complex problems with newfound efficiency and innovation. The software development landscape is undergoing a significant transformation thanks to AI. Traditional coding practices are being revolutionized by AI-driven tools that can write, debug, and optimize code with remarkable precision. These advancements are not only speeding up development cycles, but also reducing the margin for error, making software more reliable and robust. In this new era, developers are becoming more like orchestrators, guiding intelligent systems to achieve desired outcomes. Despite the rapid advancements in AI, the role of engineers remains indispensable. AI systems, no matter how advanced, require human oversight, creativity, and ethical considerations. Engineers bring the critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are essential for designing and implementing AI solutions that are both effective and responsible. Their expertise ensures that AI technologies are aligned with human values and societal needs. As AI continues to evolve, so too does the role of software engineers. They are no longer just coders, but are becoming integrators of AI technologies, working alongside intelligent systems to drive innovation. This evolving role demands a new set of skills, blending traditional software engineering with AI and data science. Embracing this change will empower engineers to harness the full potential of AI, shaping the future of technology in ways we can only begin to imagine.